Welcome back, everyone. I'm Donna Rucco, and you're on the list. Brace yourself, San Diego. Mother Nature is turning up the heat again. Oh yeah, and the wind. Gosh, Larissa Wohl takes us around San Diego in prep of what's coming.
Getting ready at number 1. Fire red is the color weather.com is using to show what's to come starting Thursday. Triple-digit temps in some areas. And on the county website, tips for making a grab-and-go box for insurance papers, photos, medication, and cash just in case. Meanwhile, embrace the cooler weather while it lasts with a picnic outdoors.
A bounce in your step jog? Or for a real thrill, why not put your top down?
Yelping at number 2. San Diegans love to share about their trips away from home, even ones spent behind bars. Just Yelp George Bailey Detention Center, and you'll find some wonderful, insightful reviews. Such as Christopher C., who writes, "Seriously, it's like a public bathroom with no windows or doors." Or Brian R., "This place is no good, like, 'cause it's a jail, and when is that a happy place? Prefer a stay at Las Colinas Detention Facility? Not. It gets 2 stars, and Kathleen N. says she's had better staycations in San Diego. Maybe next time, just stay out of trouble." Going green at number 3. Governor Brown says goodbye to plastic bags in California with plans to phase them out starting next year. Ours is the first state to do so, which means some big changes regarding my wastebasket, my dog's waste, my lunch bag, and my shower cap. Time to use paper? Now you're caught up and clued in around San Diego.